Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. For those of you who do not know me, hi, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by today. So first of all, I just want to apologize if you can hear the fan on or my dog walking around. It's just hot in Arizona and I needed the fan on while I filmed. So it's on. Well, today we are going to be doing my 3 looks 1 palette with the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. If you guys have not seen it for some reason, this is what it looks like. And I did 3 very different looks with this palette, so I do hope that you enjoy this 3 tutorials. So if you want to see how I got this look plus 2 others, then continue watching. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get started with look number 1, and I'm going to use that second light pink shade. And just so you know, on my eyes is the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. I'm just putting that into my crease and a little below where my crease was as a transition shade. Next, I'm going to go in with this brighter, hotter pink. We're going to put that right into the crease. I'm using a smaller brush just to get it exactly where I would like it to go. Next, I'm going to use this hot pink here. And we're just going to work this into the outer corner of my eye. Going back in with that other pink just to kind of blend everything together. Then I'm going in with that yellow. Now, just so you guys know, this yellow, it took a lot of building up. I had to continuously go back and put more of this on my eyes just to get it as opaque as I wanted it. I don't think that this is the best yellow in this palette, but once I do a full review on all the eyeshadow palettes I've gotten, I will let you guys know how I feel. But it's like a constant back and forth with it. But once I did get as much as I wanted on there, it worked really well. Now I'm using the Ciate blended Fierce Flicks liner, and I'm just doing a line on my eyes. I didn't want to do a wing or anything. I wanted the eyeshadow kind of to speak for itself. And now I'm using the Wander mascara. This stuff's okay. Just to let you guys know. I've used it every day since I've gotten it. It's okay. It's a mascara. I don't know. I'm not that picky about mascaras lately. I just want my lashes darkened a bit. Then we're going to go in with the Kokie Cosmetics Velvet Smooth Eyeliner. And this is the blue. And then I'm taking that blue shade there and I'm just going to work this on top of it. Thought it would be fun to have a pop of blue on my lower lash line with a colorful look on top. Then we're going in with my Maybelline Great Lash. Now we're taking the Colourpop Pinwheel, Ultra Matte in Pinwheel on my lips. And there you are. There is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Oh yeah, looking pretty. Yeah. Awkward poses. Now we are on look number 2 with the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. So now I'm going to start off with this very yellowy green. It's a very lime green. Going to put that into, this is more of my transition shade, and then I'm going into this more grassy green that's in the palette, and I'm taking that just a little lower than the other. And the thing about these, if you guys notice, it looks like I'm packing on the color because I am, and then I go back in and I blend it out. And now I'm going to be using this kind of teal color and working that into my inner corner of my eye first. Bringing it out just about halfway. Then I'm going to take that blue that I used previously on the other look and I'm going to work that on the outer corner. So I was kind of going for like a peacock vibe with this look, and you'll kind of see I do end up incorporating some purple. I'm trying to blend that blue and all of those colors together. I'm going to take that Ciate London Fierce Flicks liner, and again, I'm just going to do a line on my eyes. I haven't really, or no, I'm doing a wing. Not on every look I've been wearing lately have I been doing a winged liner. It might seem like it when I'm on camera, but like in my real life, I'm lazy. Wings take effort. Danielle's lazy. Then we're going to use that Wander mascara again. Then I'm going in with another Kokie Cosmetics eyeliner, and this one is in navy, but to me it looks more purple than it does navy. So I'm going to take that lighter purple shade, and I'm going to use it on my lower lash line. And then I'm going to take the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. Now I'm going in with a Medusa's Makeup Glitter in Star Wars. I love this glitter. First, I'm going to take a little bit of the NYX Glitter Primer and put that in the inner corner of my eyes so that the glitter stays. And now I'm applying that glitter. And when I was editing this, there was glitter dust all over. I was like, oh my gosh. I'm going to mess with that. Then I'm going to take the NYX Liquid Suede lipstick. And the color name will be listed down below. But there you are. There is the final look. I feel pretty. I feel glamorous. Now we are on to look number 3. I look crazy with just that white on. We're going to use that first top purple color. That's there. It's the lighter of the purples. I would say it's a pinky purple, in my opinion. Then we are going to go in with that darker, more plum purple, and I'm going to work this into the outer corner and a bit into the crease. And yes, I'm just kind of packing it on. I'm not really blending it yet. I go back in and I work at it and blend it several times throughout this look. Then I'm going to be brave and I'm going to use the black shade in this palette. I really just kind of pack this on to the outer V portion of my eye. I'm trying not to cover up the darker purple, while also kind of giving the black, or like giving it dimension with the black. That was kind of my goal. I don't know that I accomplished that. Then I'm going to go in with this red shade. I can't stand this red shade. To me, it's like that yellow, and I just had to keep packing it on, packing it on, packing it on, packing it on. But I guess that's good to know with these shades. I'm going to go in with the Ciate London Fierce Flicks liner. Then we're going to wing it out. My big dramatic wings. Then I'm going to take that red shade again and I'm going to work it underneath my lower lash line. It worked better there. Then we're going in with that same mascara I've been using the whole time, the OK mascara. Then I'm going to take another NYX Liquid Suede. I believe this one's high heels. I can't remember what it's called. I will have it listed down below. Then I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and I'm going to use the shade Spectrum, the purple shade. I'm going to put that into my inner corner on both eyes, and then I'm also going to use it as a brow bone highlight, because I just think it worked beautifully with this look. I'm also going to dot it on my nose here in a second because I felt like my nose needed a little bit of a highlight. And here is the final look. More Danielle awkward posing. I don't know what to do with my hands, you know. There I am. Thank you guys so much for watching my 3 different looks with the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I really had fun kind of doing this, and it was fun to play around with so many different colors all in one place. I do hope that you liked the looks. Tell me down below which one was your absolute favorite. Did you like this look? Did you like look number 2? Or did you like look number 1? Let me know down below. Well, thank you guys again for watching. I will be doing, I'm not sure what palette next. Do you guys have a palette in mind that you would like me to do? Leave that down below as well. Well, thanks again. I hope you have a wonderful day, night, wherever you are, and bye!